welcome to my unicorner. Today I'm hanging out with my friend, Sarah. Say hello, Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. So what are we doing today?
I've got a bright idea. Yes! It's time for the Not My Arms Challenge! So here's how it works. I'm going to try to make this delicious recipe we found online. Check it out!
Unicorn parfait.
But here's the catch. I can't use my arms to make it. Instead, Sarah's going to be my arms! Let's do this. Now, I'm going to put all these ingredients into that cup to make this beautiful parfait! Woo! Now I'm going to put my apron on. It's a beautiful apron, trust me. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Put it over the head, over the pony. Oh. Okay, I'm putting my hat on now, and yes, okay. I can't see. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, now I can see. This is, nope, no, I can't see again. For the first ingredient, we're going to put in 1/2 of a cup of low-fat yogurt. We're just gonna dump it in. Oh yeah, we're just gonna get it all in there, and we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of granola. So we're gonna pick up the tablespoons. Yes, this is, okay, I'm gonna find the granola. Oh yes, the granola. Granola. It's gonna, no, do not, I'm gonna pour it in. Yeah. Oh, I can't see anymore. Okay, we're good. This is our second scoop. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Now 1 more scoop. Woo, we did it. We're gonna grab some blueberries and just dump them right in there. Yeah, let's just dump them. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna put in 1/3 of a cup of cantaloupe. So let me grab my 1/3 of a cup. It's right here. Yes, that's 1/3 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup in of cantaloupe. Woo. Let's dump it in there. Now 3 slices of kiwi. 1, 2, and 3. Oh yes, we got all 3 slices in. Kiwi's so good. We need 6 slices of banana. Count with us, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Okay, a sometimes treat, which I call whipped cream, and I love whipped cream. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're just gonna put whipped cream. Oh, no. Now I'm going to put in 2 strawberries. 2 very nice strawberries. I love strawberries. And now, for the finishing touch, I'm going to put on a unicorn horn. And just put it right on there. Whoop, yep, right in there. All right, let's see how we did. They sort of look alike.
Not really.
Now, let's taste it.
Hey, that actually tastes really good.
That is good. Wow, you see? Even if something turns out a little different than you planned, it can still be just as good. So that's how you do the Not My Arms Challenge.
And how to make this unicorn treat that tastes super good.
Try this at home yourself. Just don't forget to be bold,
Be you.